Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we are back at it once again. Today I cleaned up the details page a little bit. So we're going to finish up the category page. We're going to change some services. We're going to probably do some more modification in the detail page and continue on. And I need to do some sort of search functionality. I haven't really mapped out how I want to do that quite yet, but we'll figure something out, I imagine. Okay, with all that being said, let's just shout out to my latest course, the 100 Front-End Interview Questions Challenge, to help prep you for those front-end interviews. It is a bestseller in the front-end web development category. It's really going to teach you a lot, as well as how to answer questions very nicely. You get it for just $9.99 in the description below. Cool. All right, so we did all that. So we have video dev docs. So I've been trying to think of how I want to do search, but you can see we have our category JavaScript here and whatnot. We're going to change this to basically be what the detail page looks like. And it's going to be very similar, except instead of a video here and this, we're going to have buttons go all the way across. So let's go ahead and change that up a little bit. And if we want, we can do it like this. So it's not going to be too much work. You finished 32 episodes? Good on you, man. So I want it to be full width. Okay, so instead of there'll be no playlist on our category page. Take that out here. Got that out. Go to playlist, at video playlist. Close that. Close that. Alright, cool. Go back to here. Alright, cool. So what we want to do is, instead of this video, we want to have some buttons here that are taking in the topics. That's really the goal. So we can start by eliminating this completely. All right, cool. All right. Next, what we want to do is we want to create at some point in time, I created something, a button. I think I might have deleted it because I wasn't using it. That's all right. We'll just make another one. So in category, we will have a new component, and we'll just call the topic list. And in here, we'll go and create a new file, topic-list. And of course, let's do this. You stuck on Angular side on a project? I get there. Don't sweat it. All right, we'll restart this in a second. How do you access paginated records? You have to build it into your API call. And then on the front end, you can pass what part of the the items you want. It depends on how complicated you need it to be honest with you. All right. All right, cool. So now that we've done that, what topic list is going to take in? So we're going to take a add input, public topics, and of here it'll be of topic array, which will initialize to an empty one. Where do I actually use this? Oh yeah, we have. Okay, cool. So it looks like we already have something. That's going to take in a topic. And let's go to our. Let's do an H1 topics real quick. Let's go ahead and launch this back up. I actually been meaning to get rid of this. It's not something I really need quite yet. It's just something I was building because I wanted to. And it needs to be slightly reworked now that we're doing server-side rendering. So let's go to our components, alert. It's not alert, it's not in here, it's I use the restroom real quick, and then we are going to continue on building out our topics buttons. We back. Let's see. So we're going to skip that test for now because although it's not going to... this is the test we need to skip. There we go. Cool. The reason I'm not deleting it is because I do want to keep it, but eventually that skip's going to tell me to go back. What are commas for? To separate out parameters? Do you have a GitHub repo for this project? Yeah, it's a private project though. So not in the traditional. I mean, I have a GitHub repo. You don't. App dash topic dash list. There it is. Okay, cool. So what we want to do now is go to our topics, and in here this will be the dash area topic. Topics, and then down here playlist video set. Alright, so that should all be good. Oh. Hold on. Give me a second. This is usually easier when I have one of these open. Alright, so we have our grid area topics. So let's start here. Oh, I see. There we go. Okay, I think I want a little container. Yeah, so we're gonna use a card. Oops. So do you want a card? I think so. All right, so hey, big boy. Let's go. What's going on, Gator? Gator, go here. There's water in this, but oh, good boy. So they seem to think that there's something there that isn't. That's why that's off. I'm trying to see what it is. We have breadcrumbs, we have header, we have topics. Oh, video sidebar. There's no video. There we go. Ooh. What do you guys think of this? And then we have topics that go all the way to the top. Might be pretty cool. I don't know. I think not for now. Gator. Gator. Puppy. Come here. It's okay. Bugging people. Hang out, buddy. Poor roommates. Gator occasionally forgets that people are here and goes in. I don't know if he forgets. He just feels like he needs to go let him know he's here. It's like, don't forget about me. So I got my eye on you, son. All right, so Gator. So this is what we're building. So our card component, which let's go ahead and find that. That should be in shared. It has a couple different inputs, right? It has a title. And let's actually go look at MDN real quick and see what it says. I'm just going to call it topics. What do you call like groups of categories? I'm going to call it topics for now. So title will be equal to topics. All right, so there we get topics. And now we also need icon classes. Let's go over to Font Awesome. See if they have something nice for let's see here, thesaurus.com topic. I could just, I mean, yeah. I don't think like a JavaScript icon here would be too bad. And honestly, probably at some point we'll do a complete rework of this anyhow. So, I think that's fine. Let's give me a second here. So we'll say here, we'll pass in a category. All right. So all right, cool. So we're doing that, and then we are going to change the music real quick. Where's my Haywire album? All right, so I can't remember how I got the icon class stuff. I think I could just, this icon class is, okay. Cool, so we have the JavaScript logo there. Topics, I think that's fine. All right, so now the fun part of making a button. Oh man. Okay, so instead of test, let's see. So we will Alright, so in our app-card, make this a display of grid. And then we'll have a grid-template-columns, 1fr, 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 1fr. Oh, you know what? I can't do that because I always forget that this is using content projection, and it's going to, yeah. Okay, so here we'll do div dot div hashtag but topic dash container. I think I have to fix the mobile version of topics, yeah. Let's go and do that before we forget. Cool. All right. So display grid dash template dash columns. Do 1FR, 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 1FR. And then within here, let's just say we do a button arrays. Cool. Give it a grid dash gap of 10 pixels. All right. Each one of these, we'll give it padding. Padding top of 10. Padding top of bottom 10 pixels. See how that looks. Oh, that's not what I meant. I meant to do on the actual button. Let's maybe bring this down to like 15 and 8. I don't know. There we go. And then we will do color white, background dash color. Hey, big boy. What are you doing? And honestly, you know what? We can just put this on the padding top and bottom. Because with the FR and everything, it's going to already be doing it. Or okay, cool. And how you doing, big boy? Big handsome? Big handsome? All right, so we have that. Now we'll go ahead and set background dash color to something like let's see. We'll just play around with it, see which one looks good. Border 1px solid green, maybe. That's definitely not going to be the color though. then we want it darker. I think this is the one we want. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. Do this. And then do this. Not quite sold. We're getting closer. I don't like that. I do like the bold though. And then let's try a different one. This last one here. See if this is any better. Yeah, I'm not sold on this. Let's see. What? Whoops. Does that look good? That might look a little too spicy, you think? I mean, I'm okay with a little spice. But there is such a thing as too spicy. I think I already did this, but we'll see how it looks. So I'm trying to look at something real quick. So blue is like info, and this is supposed to take you to more info. Info are selected. So might be a little too spicy. Too spicy. It's hard to tell on here. I don't know why this thing comes in blurry. It's in like a beta or alpha, but come on, man. I think this was the best one so far. Yeah, I don't like the blue. That's pretty. That's not bad. Then when we get to mobile, we can just do 2 on a level, something like that. Okay, I think that's fine for now. Cool. If we want, we can add a hover effect real quick. The green look nice for the topic buttons. You think like this? With no border? No border? Or with a border? Like that. Yeah, that does look kind of spicy. Okay, green's good. Cool. And let's add a little hover effect. And we'll add a transition. All 0. So you always want to add transitions to things, like from a good UI. Like you see how that's not like, it might be hard to tell because it's 0.3 seconds, but let's just do 1.3, which is way too long, but it makes it feel much more natural. You see how that, like someone UI UX explained it to me, is like, you want things to work like they would be in the real world, right? So like if you opened a door, there's just not somebody standing there. The door opens and then you walk through. It's just not like your hand touches the thing and then someone's just there. It's unnatural. So you want to add transitions to quite a bit. And it's so easy to do. Like okay, cool. So we defined our topic button. Let's go ahead and and one more thing that we wanted to do is right here at media. At media, screen, and only width. And in variables, we have, I think mobile is really what we want for this. We'll do both. So at mobile, I typed up my thing wrong. Where's my media? So on tablet, we want our topics container to have a grid dash template columns of 1FR, 1FR, 1FR. So you can see right there. And then on mobile, do it again, except we'll do it mobile. Let's drop one of those bad boys off. So mobile gets much smaller. There we go. Okay, I think that's good. Big boy. Big Papa protecting the house, huh? Protecting the house from our roommates for months on end. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Gator. Big boy. Come here. Up. Up. You don't want to come up? Just want to say hi. Happy puppy. Happy puppy. Whoa. Can you guys see his fangs, man? Can you guys see that? Look at this. Look at it. You see those things? You're a killer. You're a killer. Like, look at that side profile. Dad's gonna get back to work. You're a big killer. Alright, watch out, Gator. Here. Go get the bottle. Go get it. Good boy. Achilles, you're standing in the doorway. Okay. One thing I'd like to do also, so let's see here, align content center. Let's see if that works. Justify content center. Yeah, I'll leave it. It's fine. Okay, so we got an idea of what it is that we're trying to do here. That's all that matters. Great. So now that we've done that, okay, now that we've done that, what we need to do is on here. Let me go to my category class real quick. Cool. So we need a ng4, and let me go to my topic model real quick. We're going to say let topic of category dot topics. And then in here, we're going to put topic dot label. Well, hello, Alexander. Right now this data doesn't exist, which is why it's gonna blow up. So we're gonna do that, and then we're also going to have a router link. Well, we'll come back to that. Let's get some data in here first. So make the JavaScript corner around it. Do you think so? I mean, we can. I just thought so like everything's so blocky on the side. I thought it went well, but we can play around with it. All right. So if we go and get this, forget local. I'm gonna do production. Okay, so topic's coming back empty, which means we have to create a topic. So Topic create. Okay, so all right, so I'm just going to our topic schema real quick. Topic will also have a simple ID, which will be a type of string. So I'm just updating this. It will be required. It'll have a min. Required will be true. It'll have a min length of 2 and a max length of 50. Cool. All right, and let's go to iTopic real quick, and we will add a simple ID of string. Alright, so get stage, get commit -m, added simple ID to topic, get push. So we're going to push this to our repo, and then we're going to push it to Heroku. All right, so once this gets done pushing, we will then create. All right, so we did that. Now in our body, we have a category ID, which let's just go ahead and get all real quick, except we want this to be base_URL. Save and send. Take off that API. Cool. So this is our production level 1, and then let's go to our topic create. What am I building? A sort of video documentation site. If you imagine W3 schools, but with videos being the emphasis, that's sort of the idea. So simple ID. So a simple ID for something like this would be arrays. Array. Label would be arrays. The example description would be something along the lines of, let me see, I'll just pull something off here. Oh, and this is the category ID. All right, and if I all right, cool. So that created what we were looking for. The JavaScript array is a global object that's used. Cool. It created it just fine. Everything will be free on the site. Yeah. So we plan on monetizing it through ads. That's basically it. Ads on the videos, ads on the page. And the videos may not even have ads. I haven't fully decided yet about that. But yeah, there's things like, so, you know, there'll be an ad or two in the sidebar here. There might be one down here. Or, these will be affiliate links about recommended books and things like that. So there's plenty of ways that you can make money that you don't need to charge for the site. So I'm leaning towards not putting ads on the videos because I do want it to be a documentation site. And I think there will be other ways that we can monetize so the videos will be ad free. That's what I'm leaning towards. Okay, so we want to get category topics. So this is something that's not part of our... So when we go here, we need to do some stuff. All right, so our topic's still showing up empty because we need to go to our services. All right. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All right. It's like a Wikipedia for web developers. It's a documentation site like W3 Schools or MDN will be. Or are, except it'll be video focused. That's the premise. The goal is to get it to be similar to what they have eventually, although it's a very large project, right? But we're going to start with video, so that's really the goal at the end of the day. Okay, so there we get category. We just want to get the category. Is there an instance in which we only want to get category? Is there an instance in which we only want to get category without the topics? As of right now, there is not. We do have an API call for it. All right. So, how's it going? It's going good, man. We're getting close. We're getting. I know I've been saying that since like day one. We're getting close. Oh. All right. So get category with topics. Get category with topics. If you show me your website, couldn't. I don't really have time right now, man. I need to create a some sort of alert service for when my API calls fails. All right. If you need an idea, what I'd recommend is for you to just go look at what other people are doing and see if it can work for your use case or how you might modify it to work for your use case. What was the plan with this app? What do you mean? Like, in what sense, what was the plan with this app? Like, what am I hoping to accomplish with it? What am I going to do with it? I'm going to release it. The goal here is to release a production level web application that I continually work on. If you really want to know my aspirations with it, my aspirations for this project, and it's a don't get me wrong, it's a lofty aspiration, is to build something that competes with MDN and W3 schools long term. That's my end goal. Gator. I do not have children. I got puppies. So, at the very least, I will build an impressive web app. So that's like the major angle. We're talking years down the road. What my goal is right now is to my goal right now is to show what it takes to build a production level application. Also to better my backend skills. Topic component.ts. But yeah, so and make some money in the process, right? But there's like whenever I dedicate 100, like we're probably at the 80-hour mark, 80 to 90-hour mark of dedication to this. And like if you just go to my GitHub, right? For instance, if we were to go and we just go, you could just see how many days I've been pushing to it since I started this project. Like this is normal Dylan with, you know, most of my side projects don't necessarily need to be pushed to GitHub. This is Dylan when this is the OG Dylan. You see what I'm saying here? We out here hustling. Yeah, man. You're going to see that whole year lit up like that. The whole year is going to be lit up green. But yeah, so the goal, so here's the thing. It's April and I, back to the family and kids question. April and I will have kids in probably about 2 to 3 years. She's working on her career, I'm working on mine. And right now I'm taking what time I can to do side projects. How's the website looking for mobile? It's all right. It's a desktop first experience though. So like desktop, mobile we got it going on though. It's fine. We just have it stacked. Nothing crazy. But the goal for this was to do desktop first since that's who's going to be using it. That's our target demographic. I mean, the old me? What have I changed? Why are you lying right now, dude? All right, so let's see what happens. I think I should have had this working. You don't even know who you are anymore? Hey, me and you both, man. Okay, so is not appending our ID. Or it's not didn't get our topics. So let's see here real quick. Wait, hold up. So there it is there. Oh, I didn't change the API call, did I? In the actual component. Have I ever used any online text editors? I've played around in them. I just don't see the point. What's by the time that you go and create an account for an online text editor, you could have already installed the app. So like, what makes it quick? It's a novel idea. It's one of those things where it's not really solving a use case. But yeah, I did use CodePen for a while back in the day when I was playing around in it when I first started. But from a professional sense, there's no real reason to use an online code editor. It's cool. I give them that, but it's not like something that you're gonna ever actually need. It's solving a problem for something that doesn't exist. Does that make sense? All right. There we go. Cool. I gotta use the bathroom real quick, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna sync this up to use some routing, and then when we have that, we'll be able to. We gotta fix our test. We'll fix this test, and then we're gonna have this go and hit the route. All right. How should you learn to build a great website? I mean, there's always UI UX courses in terms of design that you can start doing. Okay. All right. Cool. So. Oh man, that's good. Good. Here we go again. Always. Okay. So. I want to go to here. And on init, should be why is our test failing? Let's close this real quick. Can it read property simple ID of null? Okay, so let's go to our mock category service. First off, we want to do that. And then we do have a simple ID. Yes, alright. So I'll save that. Do you know how people that are building a language are making money from it? By people using their product and doing books and ads and Patreon and all the sponsorships, all that sort of stuff. Okay, cool. Updates category. Alright, so we fix that real quick. So we go back to here and we look at our we should have a topic and a simple ID. So with that simple ID, what we want to do is we want to have this navigate to a topic page. So go here, do the old router link. Could always forget how, if router link, find in folder. Okay. I think that will do it. You know what? We gotta go to our topic. Alexander, let me give you a piece of advice, man. A lot of the stuff you're asking is stuff that you can simply Google search, and I encourage you to do it because you'll learn a lot more than me just giving you my opinion. You'll get lots of different opinions. Okay, so cool. So that worked like so. Very nice. All right, we got our topic. All right, very nice. All right, so now that we've done that, tests are good. This is good. So we're gonna have to fix our topic section, obviously, but our category section looks pretty good. And I'm thinking about it a little bit more. And I think we go to our category component and we get, there's no use case right now to get just a category without topics. Thus, I think we'll probably change the API. Do this. Just cleaning some stuff up. Let's actually, before we start breaking things, let's do this. File, new window. So, So one thing that we can do to speed this up is we do need to await this one though, but const promises is equal to promise all, and in here and then we'll do playlist. Well, that's interesting. So we changed it to, let's do this real quick. Oh, whatever. We'll come back to it if we need to. There's some performance gains that I think we can get by using promise at all here, but I think this should be fine. So we add our topics, we get our topics, get our playlist. The thing is that there's no reason we need to wait on this one to wait on this one. That's the idea here. So it's going to slow our API call down a little bit. Honestly, I'd rather have that one go first. Like, there's for sure a better way to do all of this. I just don't know how to do it yet. Alright, so we're going to get rid of that. We're going to go to category route, and we're going to get rid of this. A playlist is no longer optional. Alright, so we're going to deploy that change real quick. So while that's happening, we're going to get rid of all of this. The more I thought about that, the more I think that's an unnecessary API call, when really it's already part of category. And in our category dot component dot ts, all right, I still think that should. Cool. Oh, my headset's gonna die. All right. So this should still all work if I did this right. All right, cool. And you'll see our network. We're getting JavaScript. Then we get our topics associated with it. Very nice. All right. Now that we've done that, why did I do that again? To get rid of it? I forgot what we were doing next. Yeah, so, oh yeah, this page. We're going here. I have to decide what I want to do for this. So on a topic page, how do we want this to render? Please start live coding React as well. If you've noticed, I don't necessarily have the time to do multiple things. I'll do my best, though. Yeah, but no React coming anytime soon, unless my work tells me that we're transitioning from Angular to React. All right, so sweet. We have a category service that's calling, and we have our labels that are going, our topics, and now when we go to within category, we have view, we have topic. .component.css.html and where was I? .ts. Okay, so now we have to get all this working. So first thing we want to do is jump over to category.scss. Take this. And we're going to throw it in here, and there should be a topic container. We're going to start by removing category container from everything. We're going to have breadcrumbs. We're going to have vertical tabs. We're going to have app header, sidebar. We may not have vertical tabs right now. And topic list. Maybe. I don't think we're going to have this. Books is fine. Oops. Books is fine. Courses. We'll comment this out. We might have this. And then get rid of this. And comment this out. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and alright, so it's almost there, but we're having some issues here. Part of it is because it's expecting topics, which we don't have yet. And let's go up here, this topics. And courses, books, header. Oh, here we go with this. There's that. Get rid of this. Books, courses, sidebar, app header, breadcrumbs. All right. Oh, you know what? I know what. It's getting overwritten. to do? Oh, this is services. We don't want that. I want to go here. There we go. A little bit better. Okay. Recommended courses. So, let's get that working. The courses, why are the courses blowing up? The courses are blowing up because I bet. So I think in the API we stored some relative paths, which I knew this was going to happen. Like if we go to our courses, you see we get this image URL, author image URL. Actually, why are the courses blowing up? Oh, you know, maybe I never changed them. So let's go to there we go. All right, there's our courses. Recommended books. I think what we'll eventually do is have this be a secondary router. That way it's not happening outside of our scope here. We don't have to re-render it every time. Let's see how to do Angular second router outlet. Do you know? All right. From looking at this is something I'm not going to do right now. Basically, we should have a secondary router outlet for some of this stuff. There's no reason. And maybe even third, because the sidebar. Like, this should be already just part of a template. And it should be like you're on a category page, and then you get this route, and then you get this route. And, but yeah, we're going to do that and some refactoring. So we have our app sidebar. Topics, you're going to have something like oh, god damn it, cat. My cat doesn't care if he scratches me as he jumps up. He just needs to get up here. Okay, buddy. Alright, you're up. Alright, so our app sidebar, we have our vertical task. Cool, so let's take an array for an example. And so, okay, Tito. Sorry, buddy. So I think we're gonna have to define a few things here. We are going to Now that we got that going, we are going to have to define how we want to use our vertical tabs. The idea here being that, you know, maybe there's a video, yeah, but we also want to show some text of how we might do things. So remember our do I want to hide it? I'm just trying to think how to do this. Do you need an idea? No, I don't need an idea. Okay, so we have tab containers. So I think that's what we're gonna need to do. That's better. Let's see here. I think we're gonna have a video. So I was thinking like, so on any rate, you could probably have a 5-minute video discussing some of the major points of arrays. I think that's what we're gonna do. So let's go to our model here and talk about what it is that we're gonna need. So where is our topic model.ts? So let's create a new folder here. We're going to call it topic, and we're going to move topic model into here. Cool. All right, so that should be fine. Cool. The reason we're moving in here is I'm going to create a new file called topic-detail.model.ts. Topic. What's a good name? Essentially, what we're doing is we're going to extend the base level model. I'm trying to think. Export class topic. More detailed thesaurus. I don't like using the word detail because we have a section called detail. Topic dash complete. Comprehensive. Topic dash full. I like that. All right, so export class topic full that implements topic. So in here, we're going to have a, actually we can just go over a topic here. And we can start by just copying everything that's in here. There we go. So the stuff that topic full is going to have is a public playlist. Excuse me, public video ID. Should be a string. It will also have a public playlist ID, which will be a string. It'll have a simple ID. All right, so we have a playlist ID, we have a video ID, we have a simple ID. We'll have a playlist of the videos for arrays to the left. We'll have a video there, and then we'll have some text. I think that's a good starting point. Okay, so this is our topic full. So what we're gonna do is in topic, this makes me want to create a topic module now. So topics. So we're creating a topic service. In here, we'll have a new file, topic.service.ts. New file, mock-topic service.ts. A topic.service.ts. And then a topic.service.spec.ts. And let's start with our mock topic. Export abstract class. Oh, not mock topic, our a topic. Export abstract class a topic service. God damn, can't scratch my arm. All right. Get topic. So we'll do that, and in topic, we're going to take in two things: a category, simple ID, which will be a string, and a topic, simple ID, which will be a string. Well, let me think for a second. All right, I'm on this page. I do a refresh. What do I have access to? As of right now, it's calling it's calling this, but that's not what we want it to do. As of right now, I have access to nothing. So I refresh array. We take job. Yeah, we need both. Okay. So there's that. Export mock topic service that extends a topic service. I hate everything about how this is. I want this on one line, please. I hate how that's wrapping. Ugh. Alright. Alright, so our mock is fine. Alright, now let's export class topic service that implements a topic service. Alright, then we'll do something like this. It's not really getting it by ID. This is really more so what's going on, so let's do this. Okay. Let's go and write a quick describe here. All right, cool. And what we want to do, close that, close that. Let's go to our category service, our category module. Do I still have a resources component? I'm gonna come back to this. What the hell is that doing there? Okay. So let's jump back to our topic service, and we can look at how we did it for our category service, where it extends a category service and it uses these two things. So essentially do that. And resources component category. Where's our... Also at injectable. Cool. Alright, cool. So that gives us access to that. What we want to do is we eventually want to say this dot to copy all of this over, change a few things. Alright, so there's that, and then here this would be just category ID, topic ID. All right. So now that we've done that, so we set the scene for topic service. So if I'm about to learn ES, what do you mean? ECMAScript? Is that what you mean by ES? We're talking about you're about to learn JavaScript. What should you learn? All of it. Just go for modern JavaScript. All right. Cool. So we have topic controller. So our get topic by ID is kind of flawed for a couple of reasons. One, we're never actually going to get it. You just want to learn all of JavaScript and make sure you learn modern stuff. I'll eliminate candidates when I interview them if they don't know modern JavaScript. And I say modern being like ES6, which is 4 or 5 years old at this point. So it just means you haven't learned anything in 4 or 5 years. Okay, so what we need to do is get topics by category. That's not what we need. We called this get topic by category ID. So let's change this to get topic by category ID. And we'll go to our, close that, close that. We're gonna have to go to our category route, or excuse me, our topic routes. All right, cool, there is that. And instead of find by ID, we want to find one where, let's go here, our category ID matches. Category ID matches that, followed by, let's go back to topic route. Alright, so here's the interesting thing. So we have topics, and then we have I see. Alright, so we gotta make sure we get our IDs right here. So we're going /topics, and then we go here, and then get by category ID. So ID here, this will be we'll call this topic ID. And we'll say /category category ID. That doesn't feel right, does it? It feels like we're doing it ass backwards. All right. So /topics. So we want to get a topic, maybe a category. Yeah, I guess it's okay. We'll see. But as this is right now, get stage. And you know what? I probably should have kept that other one because I'm going to need that for the CRUD service, but we'll come back to that. Get topic by category ID. Get push. Get push for Roku. All right. Okay. So let's go back to here. Refresh this. So that's firing off, but we don't want that call actually. What we want to happen is we want to go to our topic service. And this is actually going to be v1/topic. Right? So topic or topics? Topics. Topic ID. / And this should be categories. Stick with the convention. All right. Continue on. Okay. Cool. So the route here is good, but how do we get to the route? Well, that's going to require us to pull some stuff out of, just close all this real quick. Let's go to our topic page. All right, so you can see we have this here, and then we'll create a private topic service of type topic service. Alright, so there's that. And this will be this dot update topic dot get, actually it's not update topic, topic service dot get category by topic ID console dot log this dot topic. All right, so at this point in time, nothing's going to work. Oh. No provider for topic service? No, there should be. Start fresh here. What? Oh. There we go. Alright, so right here, it's failing to find topic slash array slash category slash JavaScript. Which, let's go ahead and try to do that. Set that up ourselves in production, see what the issue is. So we have a topic. We have a get by category ID, so that's going to be our base URL slash v1 slash categories. Oh no, slash topics slash array. Is it arrays or arrays? Is array slash array slash categories slash JavaScript. Alright, so this is what we're getting right now. So let's go back and look at our route. So we have topic ID, categories, category ID. So view on routes / topics / topic ID. Right, simple ID that matches. And we say oh, you know what? I see where the issue is we are trying to find it by the ID associated with the category and not the category simple ID. So that's starting to make sense now. Okay. I got it. So what we need here is a category simple ID, which should be of type string required true. And we can probably eliminate this one. I'll just think about it just for a second. Cool. All right, guys, I think it's time for a break. We made some good progress. We're actually finally getting to the point where we're building out each one of these individual pages and connecting them piece by piece. And pretty soon I'm going to get around to content creation and all that sort of good stuff. But pretty cool. We're getting there piece by piece. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my courses, like the 100 front-end questions challenge, which will help you prep for those technical interviews. You can get it for just $9.99 using the links in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.